Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. To the victor go the spoils. St. Jago High are the official winners of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz 2019. The four-time champions Monk Street team defeated the Kingston College Purples last night to raise the coveted trophy, much to the delight of the strong St. Jago crowd in attendance. The match was scintillating.
Local and international affairs. Whom did Queen Elizabeth II surpass? Kingston College. And we won't have time. Not sure if the buzz before the bell or not.
The night was also filled with entertainment from artists Leela Ike, Alex A. Game and Jamil. Here are some of the highlights.
I told him I'm the best that's out there. He said that he no longer cares. Oh, baby, please. Casey, I beg for your second chance. Why can we fall in love like we did before? Oh, yes.
Sometimes I feel like say me not do enough, and even though me done been true enough, I know I got to go harder. St. Jago, we got to go harder. Casey, some days we feel like we can't bother pick it up. Oh God, we feel like give it up, but I got to go harder. When me say again, I got to go harder.
St. Jago, well, watch out. When they miss up in a big food, so don't you stand next to me. See your name is one out. Go listen. Help me sing the part, yeah. Tell them how to strap their soldier, baby. Hardest fight, sing. And on the realest people in the hardest. St. Jago, salvation, even after the dark age. So better days are on the way. Stop it. Big up St. Jago, straight.
St. Jago now have 5 Schools Challenge Quiz titles. Congratulations. Now to news overseas, where Nipsey Hussle's murder suspect has been arrested. 29-year-old murder suspect Eric Holder was taken into custody after a witness spotted him in Bellflower, about 20 miles from the shooting scene. The suspect, a gang member, is currently booked in a Los Angeles County jail facing multiple charges, including murder. LAPD obtained an arrest warrant for Holder on Tuesday after naming him a suspect who shot and killed Nipsey Hussle. Hussle was shot 6 times all over his body, including a fatal wound to his head. 2 other men were also shot and injured in the incident that took place in front of the Marathon clothing store in LA, a store that the Crenshaw rapper owns. It is alleged that Holder shot and killed Nipsey Hussle over personal reasons. The 2 men had a dispute before the rapper was shot and killed. The hip-hop community continues to mourn the death of Nipsey Hussle, who was a positive force within the genre and in his community. In response, Nipsey's girlfriend, Lauren London, broke her silence on social media, lamenting her loss. The 2 began dating back in 2013. 3 years later, London gave birth to their son, Cross. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.